Unoilam ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress ubaderu MLA na songsak u Dr. Mukul sangma ule thu baka jingya kendo lang jongki MLA seng riulum kadai na kabantaban syem ya kajingkit kli halor karai bala ai dagi paidbah ak arpnyo tarik ubanai rempang. Habaya kren bekilat patai kubor u Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong baka ni kajing temu jong kani kajingya lang kadai banya perkat lang na kabanta karai bagi paidbah ka jylla kila ai bat kum ki MLA kidan kajingba kli na kabantaban yadai ka jylla bat ru banwanra ka jingkylla.
You heard all the political parties taking up this core issue of corruption and how to free the state from the similar kind of corruption. Do the people of the state want the state to be subjected to similar kind of plundering that the people of the state have witnessed in the preceding 5 years? No. This particular no is reflected by the mandate loud and clear. Therefore, the honors of responsibility of all the political parties, except the party who were leading the government and who were in the helm of affairs of governance and who were responsible to take cognizance of those alleged irregularities and alleged corruption and decided to be on denial mode all the time, facilitating, plundering of the state to such a scale. All the rest of the political parties must understand that along with this mandate comes there a responsibility, a huge responsibility which revolves around on a priority of protecting the interests of the state and coming together and working together for the larger good of the people. That's the only sole responsibility that is vested upon each one of us. Therefore, this meeting discuss the need to come together. The need to come together and stand firm in our commitment to ensure that the state is not subjected again to that kind of misrule and unprecedented plundering that has inflicted irreversible damage to the state's fiscal health. Also, force the state to have an infamous tag of being named as the #1 corrupt state in the whole country. We want to ensure that this infamous tag of being the #1 corrupt state in the country does not become synonymous to our beautiful state. The priority is nothing but the larger interests of the people and protecting the interests of the state. Okay, that must supersede everything else.